Well, a busy morning for the Prime Minister, whose audience shifted quickly from the Labour community to health stakeholders, adamant about rooting out violence, admittedly a profound public health challenge across the Caribbean. It's a grim picture, but one many Bahamians have painfully witnessed, a cycle officials are determined to break. Felicity Darville has that story.
I don't understand this, but I know one thing. Bahamas is governed by our Christian faith. There's no condemnation in Christ Jesus. Don't tell me I'm a generation curse. You can get free. And I can show you people who've gotten free. I can show you people who kill don't kill anymore. People who stole don't steal anymore. There's hope. You have to always give hope.
The passion you hear in Dr. David Allen's voice echoed in the sentiments of Dr. Michael Darville.
Too often, our news coverage is filled with stories of bloodshed, gang violence, sexual abuse, child abuse, elder neglect, intimate partner violence, and other forms of abuse that seem to be growing in both frequency and intensity across the country, but mainly in our urban areas. Some people compare violence as a virus or disease like cancer, if left untreated, is capable of spreading and causing rapid harm. But just as violence spreads, so can hope. Hope can spread through our communities when we encourage each other to speak up and take the appropriate action.
Dr. Darville was joined at the Root Out Violence conference by several of his cabinet colleagues who are all working together on a task force led by Prime Minister Philip Davis.
Homicides, suicides, and violent assaults remain stubbornly high. And while we have seen progress in some areas, the persistence of these trends reminds us that much work remains. This reality is not unique to the Bahamas. It is shared by our Caribbean neighbors. Our region, regrettably, bears one of the highest homicide rates in the world, with rates that are 4 times the global average.
A green paper has been produced with comprehensive studies where young people have said things like, "I was not born to be great," showing that rooting out a negative mentality is a vital part of rooting out violence. For the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Felicity Darville.
Hi there, I'm Corval Pfeiffer. Thank you for watching our YouTube page. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all things ZNS.